Can you really supplement your retirement income with just a phone and Wi-Fi? That's the big question. And in this video, I'm going to show you 5 simple ways that people, just like you and I, in our 50s, 60s, and beyond even, are doing exactly that. Some of these methods might surprise you because they don't require any tech skills, a huge social media following, or even a lot of time every day. So if you've been wondering, is it really possible for someone my age to do this? Stay with me because I'm going to show you how doable this really is. My name is Carol and I'm a retired grandmother from Canada. I put a link down below this video so you can get a copy of my Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's free, so just grab a copy to look at later. It's packed with information and it's what I follow. Now let me ask you, what if you didn't even have to create something to sell? There are programs that give you pre-made digital products like ebooks, guides, video courses that you can simply share with others using your phone. You don't have to be a computer expert. The products I promote are an e-learning course, which I share over social media platforms. It works like this. Instead of spending months building something on your own, you're given products. All you do is plug into your done-for-you system and start sharing. This is one of the easiest and simplest entry points, especially if you've ever felt overwhelmed with the idea of starting your own business. You can step right into a working system without reinventing the wheel. Now here's one that surprised me. You can earn just by recommending things to people. This is affiliate marketing, and you can use this to expand your business and add more income streams while you're still working your original business. With these partnerships, you are given a link to a product or service. Every time someone uses your link, you get the credit for it. Think of it like telling a friend about your favorite book or your favorite travel gadget or something. Only this time, you're rewarded when someone decides to check it out for themselves. You can share links on Facebook, Instagram, or even in an email. It's that simple. You're already promoting digital products. All you need to do is attach the affiliate links to your promotion. This method proves that you don't need a storefront. You just need a phone and willingness to share with others. And speaking of promoting things, don't forget to grab a copy of my Freedom Formula Blueprint that is linked below this video. But what if you'd like something that you truly could call your own? Digital marketing really is just a fancy way of saying sharing things online in a way that gets attention. This could be learning how to do a short video, learning how to write a short post, set up a basic ad, or send an email to people. You just learn how to do it the right way. These skills are valuable and they can be used in so many ways. Whether you're promoting your own business, helping a friend with theirs, or simply boosting one of those done-for-you systems. They grow with you and give you flexibility. As you master these digital marketing skills, you can grow your business however you want, add your own digital products, or even apply the skills to a brick and mortar business. The digital world is here and it can be your oyster. And here's the encouraging part. You don't have to master it all at once. Start with one simple skill, like posting just a short video or learning how to copy and paste links. Over time, those little steps help to build confidence and independence. And here's one that might surprise you. You don't even have to show your face. Some people are building accounts online that share inspirational quotes, travel ideas, recipes, and helpful tips, all without putting themselves on camera. They use stock images, simple graphics, and voiceovers. These accounts grow because people love following pages that are helpful and uplifting. You can promote your products this way and still be successful. So if being on camera feels a little bit intimidating, this is a gentle way to build something in the background. You can stay private and still enjoy the benefits of having an online business. And finally, this is the part that really makes it feel like freedom. With pre-built websites and systems, you don't have to sit at the computer all day. Once it's set up, your system works for you, sharing your products, sending emails, and even following up with people automatically. Imagine being able to have lunch with friends, spend time traveling, or relaxing with family while your whole business runs in the background. That's what automation does. It takes the heavy lifting off your plate. It allows you to work from anywhere, anytime that suits your schedule. It gives you your time back. And don't worry, this doesn't mean that you have to be techie. These systems are designed for beginners. And with the right training and support, you'll be surprised at how easy they are to use. It's about working smarter, not harder. So, can you really supplement your retirement income with just a phone and Wi-Fi? Yes, you absolutely can. Whether it's selling ready-made products, partnering with companies that you love, learning simple marketing skills, creating faceless content, or setting up automated systems, the opportunities are right at your fingertips. The only question is, will you take the first step? Now, I'd love to hear from you. If you could add a little extra income every month, what would be the first thing that you would put that extra income towards? Would it be a family trip? Or maybe just a little extra cushion for peace of mind? Share in the comments below. You never know, you might inspire someone else who's watching. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more strategies like these ones. And don't forget to grab a copy of your Freedom Formula Blueprint that's linked below. It's full of information and it's absolutely free to look at. And if you want more information on the business that I have, then watch this video next.